How to create a popular motivation mode text effect in After Effects. You've probably seen this type of text in a motivational TikTok or a short video. I've seen it many times, but how do you create this text effect in After Effects? Let's dive right into the video. First, we need some footage. Next, we will add the text. You can exit the type tool by using the shortcut Ctrl+T. Then, click on the previous screen and type your desired text. You can also change the text to achieve a different look with the mode. Just experiment with it. Now, position the text in the center or wherever you prefer. I am using the align tool to center it. Great. Now let's work with the mode for the text layer. To access these settings, click on the toggle switch modes button, like here. For a nice result, set the text mode to darken. This creates a really cool effect, especially if you made the text color red. But it can get even better. Let's add some effects to the text. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Drop Shadow plugin. Apply it to the text layer, then go to the Effects Controls panel and set the distance to 11 and the softness to 69. Next, we will add some glow. Search for the glow effect and add it to the layer, and then set the glow radius to around 50. Make sure the glow is placed above the Drop Shadow effect. Now, you can lower the opacity of the footage. Use T on your keyboard to open the opacity settings and then change the opacity value. This will give the text more impact. Also, adjust the glow intensity to 0.5 for a subtle yet effective glow. And here we have it. A cool mode text effect in After Effects. But there are more modes you can experiment with, like difference. Set the text color to white for this one, or hue, which works great with different colors, like green. Lastly, overlay is another fantastic mode, especially when combined with the drop shadow and glow effects. And that's it. Now you know how to create stylish mode text effects in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.